This is solution number 5 for Junior Contest Probability, contest number 2 from October of 2007. A person simultaneously rolls 5 standard fair dice. What is the probability that they get a sum of exactly 10? So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to look at all the ways that I can get a sum of exactly 10 if I'm rolling 5 die. The first way is that I get 4 1s and I get a 6. Or I could get 3 1s, a 2, and a 5. Keep going with this. I'm looking solely at the numbers, not at the order. So here are the only ways that I could get a sum of exactly 10. Now I need to consider the different orderings. So looking at my first option, when I have 4 1s and I have a 6. Let's say that I place those 4 1s and then I place the 6. The 6 has 5 places that it can go. So there are 5 ways that this can look. So in other words, I can have 1 1 1 1 6. I can have 1 1 1 6 1, etc. There's 5 of those. Looking at my next option, I'm going to place the 2. So there's 5 options for placing that 2. Then I'm going to place the 5. There's 4 options for that. And then the 1s go everywhere else. So that's 20. So I'm thinking of it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to place the 2, then I'm going to place the 5, and then the 1s go elsewhere. So that's the way that I'm calculating the number of possibilities, or the number of different permutations of these 3. Looking at the third option, I have the 1, 1, 1, 3, 4. Placing the 3, there's 5 options. Placing the 4 is 4 options. The 1s go everywhere else. So there's 20 different ways to get that. Okay, for the next one, so this 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, there's 5 places for that 4. Now I have to place 2 2s. So I have 4 options left, and I'm choosing 2 of them. I have 4 spots left. I'm choosing 2 of them to put those 2s. So this picture at the bottom, it's going to look like this. I place my 4, and then I need to randomly choose 2 spots in which to put my 2s. That 4 choose 2 you can do in your calculator. This ends up being 30. The next one, I have 5 options for my 2, and 4 choose 2 for those 3s again, which is 30. So I'm going to place the 2, and then I have 4 places that I can put those 2 3s. I'm choosing it as a combination, not a permutation, because the 3s are indistinguishable. So I can put a 3 here and a 3 here. That's the same as putting a 3 here and a 3 here. There's no difference between the first and second 3. Okay, now this option. I have 5 spots that I can put that 3. Then I have 4 more spots, and I need to fill 3 of them with 2s. That gives me 20. And then the last one, there's only one way to get all 2s. When I roll all 5 dice, every single dice has to come up with a 2. Okay, now we are looking for what is the probability. So, in total, there are 5 plus 20 plus 20 plus 30 plus 30 plus 20 plus 10 ways that I can get a sum of exactly 10. That's 126. Over all of the possibilities. Well, each die has 6 possibilities on it, so that's 6 to the 5th power. When I simplify that, it becomes 7 over 432.